Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll guide you through how to delete Reddit account permanently. How to delete Reddit account. Launch your Reddit app like this. Remember, our motive is to delete the Reddit account, so let's delete. So when you launch your Reddit account like this or app like this, you go to profile. The profile is on the top right hand side corner on the top. So you click on the profile. So here you go down, you see settings. You click on settings. Here, watch the video to end so that you not mix any steps. So let's continue. So you scroll down here. In some phone, you can see the delete account here, so you can click. But here, if you can't see it, you scroll down here, you see help center. So you click on the help center here to bring you here. They will ask you, what can we help you today? So you click the search button, you click deactivate or delete account, deactivate or delete account or delete account. Delete account. And you click here, delete the account. When you click delete account, you see, how do I delete my account? You click. How do I delete my account? So you click on how do I delete my account? So it will bring you here. So here it is telling you delete your account does not delete any post or comment. So when I made any post or anything, it will delete. But here, see, remove Revit data. When you have pictures, whatever, you click here. When you click here, it will delete. So cancel your Revit. When you have purchased anything on Revit, when you click here, it will delete. So when you finish, you then move down here. You see, I have an issue with my email. Here you say no. I keep getting an error while deleting my account. So what happened? So you click on it. So here you see if you are reportedly running an error while deleting your account. Good. So you click here. So you go. So how do I manage my photos with my account? Good. So here you click here, delete my account. Yes, so your account will automatically delete. Can you subscribe to my channel? Bye bye.